I got bitten today.
By what?
I don't know. Look at this. It's
Some like
getting,
insect bite.
yeah, it's getting swollen. I'm getting the allergy.
Oh.
I have nothing here. I have no skill. I just have willingness.
Willingness. What is willingness? A will to do something. Where there is a will, there is a way. Why are you undervaluing your
Neither I
skill?
can't speak, nor I can't be. I just don't know. वो इतना स्किल्ड आदमी सुशांत सिंह राजपूत वो चला गया और यहाँ पे बिना स्किल के लोग बैठे ऐसे ही।
This is the worst part of living here in Scarborough town center area. So much noise, man. An important tip for all new immigrants: if you want to live in a condo or in the apartment area, make sure that you take the higher floor. Higher means anything like 10th floor or above, because we live on 4th floor and I showed you this noise is so annoying, and this truck comes at least twice a day. वो वाला promo video,
Yeah, for the company.
I'll finish it today. हो जाएगा. एडिट मैंने कर दिया है जो वर्कआउट पार्ट्स थे. खाली उसका जो डायलॉग बोलना है वो रह गया है. कर दूंगा अभी ब्रेकफास्ट करने के बाद. Demi?
Yes.
So today your health food is your lunch is going to be sweet potatoes and avocado. Now for all of you who are watching about avocado, I want to tell you one thing very important. So I want to give a very important tip to all of you who like eating avocado. I have seen people eating avocado, they just take it out with the spoon like this. Now let me tell you guys, the most nutrient dense part of avocado lies right here under the skin. So always peel your avocado like this, otherwise you'll miss on this darkest green part of avocado.
और भाई ठेकेदार ले लिए मज़े बालकनी में. I have a news for you.
What?
Do you remember the no spending week challenge?
Yeah, were you serious about it?
I am serious about it and it starts now. So what is the agenda, baby? Why are you carrying this trolley? Of course for shopping, but
So basically, I am trying to also understand what is your agenda behind it.
so this is basically a no spend week that we discussed in our previous vlog.
Yeah.
The reason for this is that every day when we go out, we stop by at Walmart or somewhere else
Yeah.
and we buy something. So I don't know if it's going to work, but we are trying to see that I'm going to calculate how much we spend in a week
Yeah.
and how much we spend when we buy everything all together for a week. So if we are going to save money, then we're gonna just be happy and maybe invest in Milo or Well Simple.
And you also said that it will also cut down on all the unnecessary snacking that we do throughout the week.
Of course, you pass by market, you're gonna end up eating something, right?
Yeah. आज की इवनिंग पार्टी के लिए चिप्स। This dolly has been one of the best investment that we have made. Earlier we used to just roam around and you know carry...
फिर से बोलना, मेरा मूड नहीं है।
अब मेरा मूड नहीं है, मत रिकॉर्ड कर।
क्यों?
क्यों क्या यार, इतना अच्छा मैंने I was trying to do and then you just cut me off.
If I share with people what you were trying to do, na, they will do the same thing.
Anyways, what I was saying is that this dolly is the best investment that we have made. Earlier we used to roam around carrying those thala for shopping. It used to be so painful, man. And even the last dolly that we got broke down very fast. But this one is very good quality. I'll in fact provide the link in the description for you guys. So check it in the description. It's a very good quality dolly.
How much is the bill today?
Total was $113.
So $113 for a week. You think you'll be able to achieve it?
I think I can manage. I mean, I've calculated as per the days I picked up my stuff. So like 3 days we will be drinking juices like alternate days. 1 day carrot, 1 day oranges. So that way I am done for 6 days. And apart from that, the other things like rice and all that I picked up for like 2 weeks.
Okay.
Demi has already cut a portion of mushrooms, Brussels sprouts, tomatoes, some onions, garlics, and 2 avocados. So I personally realized that she's so right about it, because oftentimes we just overeat so much when we don't even need so much food. So I believe her whole idea of eating the accurate amount of healthy food and still saving money is really gonna work. Let's see. I'll keep updating you the whole week. I'll just finish my 30 jumping jacks here, okay?
So, how's your week going? What's the update?
Are you making fun of me now?
Why?
Week is going good so far. I'm managing with the grocery that you got me. I'm just getting a very strong craving to eat something sweet.
Oh, Rabba, control your cravings.
I am controlling.
What is it?
I got a letter from CRA, Canada Revenue Agency.
What is it?
See, as long as I don't have to pay any money, I'm okay with it. So this is Ontario Trillium Benefit Notice. Notice hai yaar. We determined your annual entitlement based on the information we have. Please see the explanation section for more information. Your annual Ontario Energy and Property Tax credit entitlement is $55.44.
Whoa, as long as money is coming.
The government is giving me $55.
That is a surprise.
I love Ontario government.
ये क्या कर रहे हो? हम तो नो स्पेंड वीक पे थे ना?
यार ऐसे कौन चुपके से वीडियो बनाता है?
अरे यार, you're not going to let us win the challenge.
So guys, I found a new news. So guys, I found a new news about Ontario regional program, and I'm thinking about making an immigration video. But there is one problem, and that problem is
I am the problem. You are not going to make any other immigration videos. I don't care about the views, I don't care about anything. I don't like all those videos which have those fancy thumbnails which doesn't make sense.
I agree with you. I mean,
Are you a what do we say that a licensed consultant?
no.
So if you're talking about something about nutrition, health, I will listen to you because you're certified, okay?
Yeah.
And I do agree that people develop skills. Even education is not required. I on that note as well I agree. But my point is that, do you have any idea about immigration beyond express entry? That is the visa we applied for. We had experience. We shared our experience.
Yeah.
Beyond that, yes, you did a lot of research from government website. But
then I understand you have a valid point. I mean, for express entry, we had experience, so we shared it. But for the PNP programs, I know, even I get frustrated when I see videos like low CRS, no education required, million visas, hurry up. It all sounds rubbish. So actually,
do you even know how many people will qualify for this visa with a job offer from Canada while they are sitting in India? It's
is
very
tough.
highly unlikely. Only high skilled people like some IT people, doctors, nurses, those are some of the professions that I think they will get a job. They have an opportunity, real opportunity. But semi-skilled worker, it's very highly unlikely that they are going to get any job offer while they are in India, to be true.
I understand PNP programs have a lot of complexities, and without professional help, it is difficult to get that visa.
It's just showing
False dreams.
Yeah, false dreams or misleading statements, And anyhow, that the visa that you're talking about, the Ontario regional pilot,
Yeah.
that is only for 150 people.
Yeah.
And for those 150 visas,
And you still need a job offer.
yes, you still need a job offer. Plus, you are competing with the whole bloody world for 150
Okay, I'm not
visas.
making any more immigration videos, guys.
No,
Are
no.
you okay with it?
Okay, see, again, you're not getting my point. I am not against you making immigration videos. Guys, I'm not against him making any kind of those videos. What I am against is, just portraying it in a way that it conveys wrong message or false hope.
That I never
I
do.
don't agree with that. And I asked him to keep doing it until and unless you have either a license yourself or you tie up with some licensed consultant who
I
can
think
be
I
with
would.
you.
I can do this. I can find a licensed consultant for a collaboration.
Yeah. So until then, I don't think you should jump into this, to be true. And see, dreams matter a lot to me. For so many people at this point of time, maybe going abroad is a dream. And it's just like, there are a lot of false thumbnails I see around on YouTube. I just don't agree with all those things. See, everyone works hard, but at the end you have to be responsible for your actions, not anyone else's actions. So that's my point. Rest is up to you.
Okay, I got my lecture for the day. I will get collaboration done with a consultant, licensed consultant. Only then I'll make some legit immigration videos. But I want to tell you guys that just look at this beautiful place where we are sitting. And I want to tell everyone who is planning to come to Canada that take out time, go out in nature. Canada is such a beautiful country. Wherever you go, you find a little spot. You can sit there, enjoy your evening. Just see here. We got our little arrangement done here, and there's a nice beautiful tree here. So what are we gonna do now? Enjoy our drinks sitting here which Demi is gonna take out.
No, one thing that you haven't told is the best part about Canada in summers is that this is 9 p.m. at night
Yeah,
and it's still daylight.
yeah.
So even you finish at work after 6, you go home, get ready, change, and then still come outside and have dinner or drinks or whatever.
Show me my drink now.
You serious, mate? So that's yours.
Okay, it's time to cheers. And as far as the conclusion for the weekly budget that we decided, no spending week, in the next vlog we will share with you how did the week go by. Till then, see you guys and cheers.
Bye bye.